Hello everyone, let's check MotoGP from PSP on Unburning console. Okay, also frame skipping. And FPS counter. Okay, it looks quite nice, I must say. So the target probably is 60 FPS. Ooh, so there are some slowdowns, quite big ones. Okay, how I can... Ooh. Main menu, okay. I will lower volume because there is a music, and for YouTube it's a problem. Let's try again. Okay, so here, oof. The steering is quite difficult. Okay. Ooh. It's not Gran Turismo when we can make pedal to the metal. It's not actually so easy. But 60 FPS when there are not that many players is possible. It's terrible. I'm not an expert in MotoGP, as you can see. I prefer Burnout game. The problem is that the steering is quite difficult. Probably I'm doing something wrong. Okay, but as you can see, it can play 60 FPS, so for sure MotoGP fans will be pleased on Unburning console.